Hello, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be taking you through everything that I am using to work while we're on our adventure this winter. The first video, if you haven't seen it already, is all of the camera gear that we're taking with us. That was a lot of fun to put together. And I actually did one of these videos, a work/tech video, last year from Costa Rica. So if you haven't seen that already, I will link to it somewhere up here probably, and you can check that out. There have been some changes, not a lot of changes, but some positive changes. So I'm going to take you through it anyways. And let's get into it. First things first, I'm still working off of my 13-inch MacBook Pro. This thing has been a workhorse for me for, well, almost 2 years now. It's still running great, like a Mac should, and I love it for its size, so it's going to be coming along with me. The stand, I haven't decided if I'm bringing the stand or not. It is kind of handy, but only if I am working with the keyboard, which I'm also not 100% positive I'm going to bring with me. I didn't have it in Costa Rica last year, so chances are I'm not going to bring it. I'm just going to work off of my laptop. But I will still bring my Apple Magic Mouse 2, or Magic 2 Mouse, or Magic 2 Mouse. However it goes, that's coming with me as well. Of course, the power supply and the cable to go along with it, and some other cables as well, which we'll get into in just a second. Even though everything that I do is electronic, working online and working remotely, I do still keep paper backups. So I note down everything that I do, everything that I work on, almost everybody that I talk to on a daily basis, just as a quick reference check and a kind of a running task list, if you will. There is a chance that I might fill this up before we come back. So just like last year, I'm bringing a backup, a brand new one as well. These are really cheap, nice quality, good size, just Amazon basics. I'll link to that below for you. Of course, when you're writing old school, you need pens. I carry a black and a blue, and sometimes a pencil. And the cable organization, I just use this neat, handy little case. It's got lots of pockets. It's a good size. There's a lot in there, and it doesn't take up a lot of room, which I really like. There's a quick stash pocket out front for cleaning cloths, which I seem to have stashed everywhere. And then inside is everything that I use to connect to pretty much everything that I've got. The primary piece being this Anchor 8-in-1 hub. So it's a USB-C hub that has a micro SD, regular SD, 2 USB-As, power in, power out, USB-C, an HDMI full-size port, as well as an Ethernet port. So really anything that I need to connect to, whether it's on my desk or otherwise, even reading cards from the camera, this is the primary device that I work from. I do carry some backup pieces, such as this quick little plug-in guy. This is the one that I had in Costa Rica last year. Again, it does the USB-A and the micro SD and a standard SD card. So it's just a handy, quick little card reader that plugs into the side of the MacBook Pro. And I like to keep all of my cables organized and labeled so that I know when I'm looking for something, that if I need a USB-C to USB-A, or if I need a USB-C to USB-A 3.1 or a C to C, then I've got it. I also carry a USB-C to Lightning charging cable, and that's really, I'll plug the phone into the laptop or the hub to charge it up. I also use it to charge the mouse, which again, really handy. You can't use it while it's charging, but you have the touchpad. So I keep everything really organized there. I've got some phone charging cables. I've got some camera related pieces. So my Sony a7 III charging cable the micro USB, and then the cable for Emerson's camera as well. Even though they're camera related, I'm still going to need to plug them into something so I can keep them with the rest of the cables, and they're labeled as well. I keep a backup thumb drive just in case. Actually, there's 2 in there. A Sharpie, some Bluetooth headphones. But the audio quality on these, for some reason, isn't really all that great. People that I work with, they always tell me they have a really hard time hearing me. So I do carry the ones that came with my phone, just in case. And this is probably one of the most significant upgrades that we made since we've been home, is switching over to portable SSD drives. So this is the Samsung T7. I've got this one all stickered up so I know which one is mine. We have another one for the family travel stuff. These are both 1 terabyte, and they're super small. So we carried everything, all of our external drives, in 3 cases like this, the Amazon basic cases, and they work great. I mean, I keep my MacBook Pro Time Machine backup drive in one of these, and that will come with us as well. But 3 of those versus everything in just here, it's, I almost don't even want to bring that, is just how much room it takes up comparatively. And these drives are just so slick. So like I said, there is another one, and it will get stashed in here as well. The other piece that is also coming with me again this year, just as a backup, is our GlocalMe G3. So this is that MiFi box that I talked about last year. Basically portable internet in your pocket. It also acts as a power bank as well, so you can charge this up, plug your USB-A charging cable for your phone or the GoPro or the camera or anything else that needs power, and run it off of this, which is super handy. And yeah, so it's coming just in case we end up not having a solid internet connection, and of course I do need to work. That all zips up nicely. And the other thing, aside from reading glasses, because I'm getting older, and my cell phone, really the only other piece that I need to bring to do my job on a daily basis is just something to put it all in. So I've just got this same one as last year, TomTalk protective case. I'll just slide my MacBook Pro in there, stick the mouse in. My glasses usually just go in my sunglasses case, and then all of this can fit in my camera bag, but I am going to bring it in my North Face work bag. And away we go. And this gives you a nice little place too to store all those little last minute things you forget about, like glasses cleaner or screen cleaners for your phone, your laptop, or your face. And I guess I could fit the keyboard and a few other things in here, but there will end up being, you know, odds and sods getting stuffed in here. If I am working away from wherever we're staying at the time, I like to have some extra room for an extra layer, like a coat or rain shell, or maybe some gloves and some hats. Was that a tip off to where we might be going this year? Nah, there's lots of cold places, so I'm not giving it away. There is, however, a tip hidden in this video. So if you've spotted it, let me know where you think we're going this winter, and I'll tell you if you're right. So that's it. That's all of my work stuff. That's everything I'm going to use every day, except for weekends, to do my job. I guess on weekends I'll be video editing as well. So thanks a lot for joining me today. If there's anything you have questions about, don't hesitate to ask. I will link to everything that I use down in the description below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. If you purchase through them, they help us out, help support this channel as well as our family adventures, so we very much appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. If you've been here before, welcome back. great to see you. Hope you're having a great day. Please hit that like button. Let me know what you think. All right. Well, thanks a lot. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.